Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to use Bluetooth to send photo, music and video data from a Mac to any kind of smartphone or a feature phone. Even though the speed is not very fast, you can still transfer tiny files without the need for a cable or any additional software by using this method, which I use to transfer MP3 files to my dumb phone. Now let's get started. Open the Mac Launchpad first, then choose the other option. There is a Bluetooth file exchange option. You can look up this option as well. After that, open it and choose the files you wish to move. Click Send after selecting your device. Approve the other device invitation to receive files, and after that you may see that your file is being sent. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more Mac and iPhone related content.